If you have a baby that pretty soon will be running around and walking around and putting his fingers everywhere where they don't belong, you definitely need this kit. This is the Baby Safety Kit, and it is a complete kit, all in one, with all the safety protection that we need for the baby. These safety solutions are all quick and easy to install. They don't require any drilling or any complicated process, so both mom or dad could put them together. Let's open the kit together and see what's inside. Inside on this one, first of all, is a video instructions available if you just scan the QR code that's included. It also has a little manual with all the instructions that you're gonna need to place all the specific products. It comes with 14 outlet plugs and the keys. I'm so excited about this because when I was a little kid, I was fascinated by outlets. If my baby is anything like me, this is gonna come in very handy. It includes 6 strip locks. These ones are so cool because you could use them to lock your toilet, your oven, your dishwasher, any drawers where you may have any sharp objects. And it includes 6 of these. It's just a peel and stick, really easy to install. It has 14 of the corner guards, and this one is a must. These ones are gonna be good not only for the glass table but also for any furniture that we have that has sharp edges. It also includes 12 pairs of cabinet hooks. And the last thing is 2 furniture straps. The outlets, we're gonna do the ones that are lower, which are the ones that the baby is gonna reach pretty soon. And I have recruited my husband to help us.
Okay, it's pretty simple. Just put it right in. Push it in.
Oh, that's quick.
And if you want to pull it out, you have the key. Put it in there, turn it, and you can just pull it out.
Oh,
That's
really
it.
nice. And it brings a couple keys too, so
Yeah.
you have a couple throughout the house.
We'll leave that there. And for all you who have toddlers, once they start running around or in the walkers, corners, very deadly. It comes with the little corner ones right here. So all you do is pull the little pieces out here. There we go. All right, and then it goes just like this. Make sure you get the
It's
corner
sticky,
in. Yeah, make
yeah.
sure you get the corner in first, and then you are good to go.
Is it soft?
And it's soft.
It's like a little bumper.
Yeah, a little gel.
Oh, that's pretty
Hopefully you
cool.
help protect someone's head.
For the cabinet locks, we're gonna do the one under our kitchen sink because it's where we have all the
messy in
cleaning
there.
products and stuff like that, and we don't want the baby accessing that.
Yeah. First you want to put the stopper in, just kind of measure where you want it, right here. And then we'll just go ahead and take this off.
And it doesn't require any tools, it's just
Yeah.
peel and stick, right?
Peel and stick, and then there it is. You get that on. Once you get this on, then you just line this one up. So make sure it's up where it's locked, right there. And it gives you an idea kind of where you want to put it. Okay. There it is. It'll prevent it from coming out. When you go ready to open it, you just reach in and you push down on this thing.
And you
There you
release
go.
it.
And
That's
if you
pretty
don't
cool.
want to use it, then you could just push down on this and turn it to either side, and then you don't need it right now.
Oh, that's pretty cool because it'll still be a couple months
Yep.
before a baby starts walking. It also comes with the screws if you want to screw it in instead of using the peel and stick, or do both for reinforcements. It comes with the screws as well.
So this is going to be for our freezer. So if you have a kid who likes to push up on it and then the little fingers get jammed in there, you can put one of these on there. I've already measured mine, but you can make it shorter or longer by moving this. So we're going to put this right here. Take the sticky off. Alright, and it's going to go right here. Okay, and then for this one, we'll take this sticky off. And it'll go right there. There you go. So if you want to move it, you just push up on this. And this comes up. Ta-da!
Oh, nice.
It's pretty easy.
And it goes back easy
Yep,
as
you
well.
just clip it right back in. And
Simple
you're good.
enough.
Simple enough.
Yeah, and then you could cut in the excess too. Probably before we install it. It was a good idea.
So if you have a furniture you need to secure to the back, in case where they pull the drawers out, they're hanging on them, you don't want them to come forward, you install these. Pretty simple. It's got 2 brackets. You're going to attach one to the back of the furniture and one to the wall, and then you're going to run the wire right through, and then this will actually screw to itself right here.
And it's like a metal wire, right?
Yeah, it's a little metal wire, and once you get that in there, it will prevent the furniture from falling over. And it comes with the little anchors, everything you would need to secure it.
So it's the 2 tiny screws to the furniture.
And the 2 big ones for
the anchor to the wall?
With the anchor to the wall.
And then you thread it through the little hole. Pretty simple.
Yeah.
So this brand has different kits and you could choose from a variety of them which one you need. For example, there is some kits that will come with the stove knob. If you have a stove that has the knobs in the front, or it doesn't, they're pretty high and they're in the back, so we don't have to worry about that. But there's other kits that include them and you could choose from which one you need. So if you have a baby, you're having a baby, or know somebody who already have a baby, I highly recommend you get them this kit. It has everything you're gonna need. It's an all-in-one box with all the safety items you're gonna need to baby-proof your house.